So now I've got that insulation out of there, and I cut out the that foam insulation, exposing this corner. So now here I'm going to put a stud going along here against this stud to get backing for this drywall here when I put it over here, and then I'll add another stud this way coming this way for this drywall here. And then this was, when I got this out of here, it revealed a problem that I was well aware of from the outside. That is, this outside exterior is this masonite crap that should be against code. It doesn't last, and here you can see where it's gotten wet. It's pried away from there, from the corner there. So I'm going to cut that out, just about a foot, and replace that with a solid board. And it doesn't matter if the patch doesn't match the rest of the wall, because we're going to stucco the outside of the house. It'll all look the same. I got to patch it up, and also there's a section, you might be able to see it over here. Get over here a little bit. You can see some light coming through on the other side there. That whole section going from the corner moving to the right, that has to be replaced. I'm going to cut all that up, but I'm just going to patch that up right now. But when I get ready to do the outside of the house, I got to cut all that out. The exterior section plank that goes from left to right. But now I've got all this exposed, so I can add the two studs, put the insulation back in there, and patch that up.